So let's start with the first question. The chairman requested the aggrieved shareholder to bear with him. The answer is C, bear with, which means to tolerate or to be patient with. And as you can see, the option A, B-A-R-E, it means uncovered. So although they are pronounced same, so you have to keep in mind the answer is C, bear with. The second question is identify the correct spelling out of the given options. Manageable. So the word is manageable. The correct spelling for manageable is M-A-N-A-G-E-A-B-L-E, and it is pronounced as manageable. The E is silent. Let's look at the third question. Pick the odd one out in the following: 13, 23, 33, 43, and 53. All of them are odd numbers, and one thing is all of them are at the interval of 10. Like 13 plus 10 is 23, plus 10 is 33, and so on. All of them are prime numbers except 33, as you can see. So the 33 is the odd one out. So the answer is 33, B. So let's see at question number 4. R2D2 is a robot. R2D2 can repair airplanes. No other robot can repair airplanes. Okay, so there are three informations given. It is a robot, it can repair airplanes, and no other robot can do that job. So which of the following can be logically inferred from the above statements? Option A is R2D2 is a robot which can only repair airplanes. No, that is not correct. It is a robot, but not the no, but it can repair other things also. Means not only airplanes. That information is not given. So A is ruled out. Let's see B. R2D2 is the only robot which can repair airplanes. Yes, that is right. As you can see from the third information, no other robot can repair airplanes. Let's look at option C. R2D2 is a robot which can repair only aeroplanes. That is also wrong. Only R2D2 is a robot. That is also wrong. So only option B is correct.
Let's look at the fifth problem. So modulus of 9y minus 6 is equal to 3. Then y square minus 4y by 3 is, then we have to find the value of, first we have to find the value of y, and then we have to put that in the equation to find the value of the equation. So in order to solve this, as we know that the modulus, there will be two possible cases. 9y minus 6 is equal to 3 and 9y minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So we will solve for y in both of these cases, and let's see. So if in this one y will be equal to 1, a 6 will go that side, and y will be 9 by 9 is equal to 1, and in this one y will be equal to 6 will go minus 3 plus 6 3, y is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's put that in now let's put this value in y square minus 4 y by 3. So we'll put 1 1. So 1 minus 4 by 3 will be equal to 3 minus 4, means minus 1 by 3, and we'll put this value. Now we'll put this value in this equation. So we'll get 1 by 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3, means it will be 1 by 9 minus 4 by 9. So it will be minus 3 by 9 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So for both the cases we are getting the same value, minus 1 by 3. So the answer is C, minus 1 by 3.
Let's look at question number 6. The following graph represents the installed capacity of a cement production in tons and actual production of 9 cement plants of a cement company. Capacity utilization of a plant is defined as the ratio of actual production of cement to installed capacity. A plant with installed capacity of at least 200 tons is called large plant, and plant with lesser capacity is called small plant. The difference between total production of large plant and small plant in tons is, so I have to find the difference between the installed capacity of the large plants and the production of the small plants, the production capacity of the large and the small plants. So there are 9 plants, and the first one comes under large category. The first one, the fourth one, the 8th one, and the 9th one, they come under large category, and the rest are under small categories. So the production is 160, 190, 230, and 190, and you have to subtract the production of the smaller plants. So 150, 160, 120, 100, and 120. So if you subtract them, the answer will be 120. It was easy. Let's see question number 7. A poll of students appearing for master in engineering indicated that 60% of students believe that mechanical engineering is a profession unsuitable for women. A research study on women with master's or higher degree in mechanical engineering found that 99% of such women were successful in the profession. So which of the following can be logically inferred from the above paragraph? Option A. Many students have misconception regarding various engineering disciplines that we don't know from the paragraph. So A is ruled out. B. Men with advanced degree in mechanical engineering believe women are well suited to be mechanical engineers. That is not right because 60% of the students believe that mechanical engineering is not suitable for women. Let's see option C. Option C. Mechanical engineering is a profession well suited for women with master or higher degree in mechanical engineering. That is right because 99% of such women are successful in their professions. And option D is the number of women pursuing higher degree in mechanical engineering is small. That we don't come to know from the paragraph which is given. So option C is the right answer. Let's see question number 8. Saurya committee had proposed the establishment of Saurya Institute of Technology in line with Indian Institutes of Technology to cater the technological and industrial needs of a developing country. Okay, so which of the following can be logically inferred from the above sentence? Based on proposal, option one is in the initial years, SIT students will get degrees from IIT that we don't come to know from the paragraph. So that one is ruled out. Let's see two. SIT will have a distinct national objective. Is that may be true because it is to cater for the technological and industrial needs of a developing country. Option three is SIT-like institutions can only be established in consultation with IIT. That is not true. That we don't come to know that from the paragraph. So option 3. So the statement 3 is not taken into consideration. Statement 4. SIT will serve technological needs of a developing country. Yes, definitely. So 2 and 4 should be the answer. Let's see 2 and 4. C has a 2 and 4. So the answer is C.
Shaquille O'Neal is a 60% career free throw shooter, meaning that he can successfully make 60 free throws out of 100 attempts on average. What is the probability that he will successfully make exactly 6 free throws in 10 attempts? So for that one, we have a formula like n c x p is power x and q is power n minus x. In this, n is the total number of attempts, x is the successful attempt made, and p is the probability of the successful attempts. Here the probability is 60%, means 0.6, and obviously if the probability for successful is 0.6, then probability for failure is q is the 0.4. Now let's put this value in this formula. So it will be 10 c6, p means 0.6, which is the probability for winning, raised power x means 6 into q means 0.4, means probability for failure will be 0.4, n minus x, n is 10 minus 6 is 4. When you solve this, you will get 0.2508, which is the first, which is option A. Let's look at the last problem. Question number 10. The numerical in the unit position of 211 raised to power 870 plus 146 raised to power 127 into 3 to the power 424 is equal to. In this type of problem, what you have to do is first write the units place. 1 this power 870 plus 6 for 127 and then into 3 this power 424, and whatever value we have at the exponent, we have to divide that by 4, and we have to we have to write the remainder of that. Suppose 870 divided by 4 will be, I think 2. Yeah, the remainder will be 2. So anything anyways, 1 raised power anything will be 1 only. So plus 6 over 127 divided by 4 will be, it will go in 24. So the remainder will be 3 into 3. 424 divided by 4, I think it will be, the remainder will be 0. When the remainder is 0, write 4. In all the other cases, write what is the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then write 4. Then we have to see 1 plus 6 into 6 into 6 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. So for 6 into 6, 36. So I have to write 6, and then since 6 again into 6, 36. So unit place is 6 only. into 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, and the 9 into 3 is 27, so 7. 7 into 3 is 21, means 1. So 6 into 1 is 6 only, plus 1. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So 7 is the answer. I'll take one more example of this sort so that is clear. So let's see this problem. 237 is by 159 into 519 by 142 into 180 2 is power 18632. Then find the unit digit. So first we will do what we write is 7 raised by 159 divided by 4. It will be 3 into 9 raised power divided by 4 will be 2 into 2. 2 is power 32. If divided by 4 will be 0. So when it is 0, we have to write 4. So it will be 7 into 7 into 7 3 times. Along with the sign, if it is into sign here, we are taking into sign. If it had been plus, we would have taken plus sign or minus sign. Into 7 into 9 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Okay, so 7 into 7 is 49. 9 into 7 is 63. Then we have to take 3 into 9 into 9 is 81, means take 1 into 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 6 1. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3 into 6 18 or 8. So 8 is the answer of the units place for this problem. I hope you followed.